Good morning. Today we will start miscellaneous exercise of chapter 9. Exercise 9.4 sum to n terms has been deleted by the CBSE for this year. So and related questions also. So we will start miscellaneous after 9.3. Before the miscellaneous, we understand some properties of AP and GP. If we have taken three terms in AP, three terms in AP, then we take it as a minus d, a and a plus d, where sum is given. If sum is given, then in three terms d will be cancelled and we will directly able to find a. If we have to take in four terms in AP, then we take four terms a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d, so that d is cancelled and we can directly able to find a. If we have taken five terms in AP, then we can take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. Also, if we add, subtract, multiply, or divide by equal number in all the terms of AP, then the remaining sequence is also an AP. Let us take in 2, 4, 6. Let we have taken 2, 4, 6. This is an AP. If we subtract 2, 1 from each, subtract 1 from each term, what we get? 1, 3, 5. This is also an AP. If we add, अगर 1 add करें from each term में, what we get? 3, 5, 7. This is also an AP. If we divide by 2, then what we get? 1, 2, 3. This is also an AP. Or if we multiply by 2, so what we get? 4, 8, 12. This is also an AP. So if we multiply, we divide, we add, we subtract by any equal non-zero number, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. So this property we will use directly to prove some numerical problems. What is the property? Equal number add कीजिए, subtract कीजिए, divide कीजिए. If equal number is added or subtracted, or multiplied or divide in each term of an AP, then resulting sequence is also an AP. अभी हमने एग्जाम्पल की हेल्प से प्रूव किया था. सेम इन जीपी में ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हाँ अगर मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिजल्टिंग सीक्वेंस जीपी ही होती है. ठीक है, इन जीपी दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज फॉर एपी. अगर हम जीपी यूज कर रहे हैं, ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, जीपी में अगर हमें कोई भी थ्री टर्म्स लेनी है जहां हमें प्रोडक्ट गिवन है तो आर कैंसिल करना होता है. देन वी कैन टेक ए अपॉन आर ए एंड ए आर, सो दैट आर इज कैंसिल्ड एंड वी कैन डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट a. If we have to take in four terms in GP, then we take a upon r cube, a upon r, ar, and ar cube. If we have to take in five terms in GP, then we take a upon r square, a upon r a, और ar और ar स्क्वायर. अगर हम इक्वल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड कर दें जीपी को तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. इफ we multiply or divide in each term of a GP, by a non-zero number, then resulting sequence is also a GP. Then resulting sequence is also a GP. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं एग्जाम्पल ले लें, मान लीजिए मेरे पास वही कोई भी एक सिंपल जीपी है. Let we have any simple GP 2, 4, 8, 16. If we divide it by 2, dividing by 2 each term, dividing by 2, what we get? 1, 2, 4, 8. This is also a GP. And if we multiply by 2, what we get? 4, 8, 16 and 32. This is also a GP. So if we multiply or divide by any non-zero number in the each term of the GP, then the resulting sequence is also a GP. Now these properties we will use directly solve the numerical problems of miscellaneous exercise. This is miscellaneous exercise chapter 9. This is question number 1. So that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to the twice of its mth term. Question number 1, exercise miscellaneous chapter 9. So miscellaneous exercise 9. Miscellaneous exercise 9. Question number 1. We have given sum of m plus n term and m minus n term. तो sum of m plus nth term, पहले हम m plus nth term निकालेंगे. What is a m plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. And what is m minus nth term? a m minus n is equal to a plus m minus 1 minus n into d. अगर हम ये ले लें कि जो फर्स्ट टर्म है वो a है और जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो d है. अब इसने कहा है कि इन दोनों का सम इक्वल है किसके? ट्वाइस ऑफ m टर्म के. तो इन दोनों को हमने सम कर दिया a m प्लस n और प्लस a m माइनस n इज इक्वल टू a प्लस m प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d और प्लस a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू n माइनस 1 इंटू d. a और a 2a प्लस d कॉमन तो m प्लस n माइनस 1 और प्लस m माइनस n माइनस 1. n से n कैंसिल यानी 2a प्लस d इंटू 2m माइनस 2. 2 कॉमन यानी 2a प्लस 2m माइनस 1 इंटू d. 2 अगेन कॉमन a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू d और a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू d इज व्हाट? m टर्म. So sum of m plus n and m minus n term is equal to twice of its m term. Similarly, question number 2, if the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. हमने अभी बात की थी कि अगर हमें सम गिवन है तो हम नंबर्स इस तरीके से लेते हैं कि d कैंसिल हो जाए. तो हम जो नंबर्स लेंगे वो a minus d, a और a plus d. तो let three numbers in AP question number 2, let three numbers in AP is equal to a minus d, a और a plus d. गिवन है कि इनका जो सम है, सम इज इक्वल टू 24 गिवन है. सम इम्प्लाइज a minus d प्लस a और प्लस a प्लस d और इज इक्वल टू 24. d से d कैंसिल, फिर a is equal to 24 और implies a is equal to 8. Equation number first. Again product is 440. Product implies a minus b, a plus b is equal to 440. Putting a is equal to 8. So 8 minus b, 8 plus b is equal to 440. 8 उधर यहाँ स्क्वायर बने तो 8 स्क्वायर माइनस डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 440 अपॉन 8. 8 5 जा 40 और 8 5 जा 40. 64 माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 55. बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9 और डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 और डी इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3. सो देयर विल बी 2 GP फर्स्ट विथ प्लस डी. So it was plus 3, d plus 3, and second one is d minus 3. A is equal to 8. We have to find out 3 terms. So if A is equal to 8 or d is equal to plus 3, so numbers are a minus b, a plus b, यानी 8 minus 3 8 और 8 plus 3 implies 5, 8 and 11. Or if a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 3, then numbers are a minus d, a plus d, implies 8 minus minus 3 8 or 8 minus 3, yani 11 8 and 5. So either numbers are 5 8 11 or 11 8 5. This is the question number 2. Likewise, question number 3, let the sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of an AP be S1, S2 and S3 respectively, so that S3 is equal to 3, S2 minus S1. Simply put the formula of sum of n terms. Taking left hand side, we have to find right hand side. Question number 7 देखिए. If f is a function satisfying fx plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs to n such that f1 is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 to n, fx is equal to 120, find the value of n. फंक्शन की फॉर्म में गिवन है कि fx plus y is equal to fx into fy. Question number 7. Given fx plus y is equal to fx or into fy. Also given f1 is equal to 3. f1 is equal to 3. We have to find f2. f2 implies taking x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So is equal to f1 or into f1. f1 is 3. 3 into 3 यानी 9. Implies f2 is equal to 9. अब taking x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2. So f1 plus 2 is equal to f1 or into f2. By the formula, f1 plus 2 is equal to f1 into f2. f1 is given 3. f2 we have find out 9 implies 27. Yani f3 is equal to 27. So we have given sigma x is equal to 1 to n, fx is equal to 120. अगर हम 1 to 3 पुट कर दें तो implies f1 plus f2 plus f3 up to fn or is equal to 120. f1 is what? 3, f2 9, f3 27 up to n terms, fn का मतलब or is equal to 120. What is this? This is a GP with first term is 3 and common ratio is 3. So sum of n terms of a GP or is equal to 120. So we will put formula A. A is what? 3 r to the power n, yani 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 or is equal to 120. 3 to the power n minus 1 120, 3 minus 1 2 or upon 3. 3 4 जा यानी 3 to the power n is equal to 81, 3 to the power 4 or implies n is equal to 4. So value of n is equal to 4. Now let us take question number 10. The sum of 3 terms of a GP is 56. If we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers in that order, we obtain an arithmetic progression. Find the number. देखिए sum of 3 terms given है. अगर प्रोडक्ट गिवन होती तो हम a अपॉन आर a और a r लेते हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि सम गिवन है तो हम डायरेक्टली a r और a r स्क्वायर ले लेंगे. तो लेट 3 टर्म्स ऑफ द GP इज GP है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Question number 10. Let 3 terms of GP is equal to A, AR and AR square. Sum of 56. Then given A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 56. A common. 1 plus r square is equal to 56. Equation number first. Again, if we subtract 1, 7, 21 from the number, so if we subtract 1, 7, 21 from the numbers, what we get? A minus 1, AR minus 7 or AR square minus 21. We obtain an arithmetic progression. This is an AP. If this is an AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. Yani 2 into AR minus 7 is equal to A minus 1 or plus AR square minus 21 by the property of AP. R in AP, अगर ये AP में है तो 2B is equal to A plus C. Open तो 2AR minus 14 is equal to A plus AR square or minus 22. तो A plus AR square minus 2AR or is equal to minus 14 or plus 22. यानी A plus AR square minus 2AR or is equal to 8. Dividing first by second. Dividing first by second. So dividing first by second, what we get? A 1 plus R square upon. From here A common also. A common. What we get? 1 plus R square minus 2R or is equal to 8. Good. So A, what we get? 1 plus R square minus 2R or is equal to here 56 and here 8. A से A cancel. 8 upon 56 implies 7 upon 1. Cross multiply. यानी 7 plus 7R square minus 14R 1 plus R square. यानी 6R square minus 15R और प्लस 6 और इज इक्वल टू 0. तो 6 36 फैक्टर्स 12 3 यानी 6R स्क्वायर माइनस 12R माइनस 3R प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. 6R कॉमन, R माइनस 2 माइनस 3 कॉमन, R माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, R माइनस 2 6R minus 3 is equal to 0. Either R is equal to 2 or R is equal to 1 upon 2. Putting the value of R in any, we get 2 GPs. Achha, then find its common ratio. Only we have to find out common ratio. So common ratio is what? Either R is equal to 2 or R is equal to 1 upon 2. We have to find out only common ratio. फाइंड नंबर, सॉरी फाइंड द नंबर्स है, कॉमन रेशियो है. कॉमन रेशियो की हम दोनों वैल्यूज पुट करके ए की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे किसी भी इक्वेशन में. मान लीजिए हमने यही पुट कर दी तो पुटिंग आर इज इक्वल टू 2, यहाँ पुटिंग आर इज इक्वल टू 2, व्हाट वी गेट? ए 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 56. 4 to 6 17 यानी ए इज इक्वल टू 8. A is equal to 8. तो नंबर्स क्या हुई? नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू ए आर स्क्वायर यानी 8 into 2 8 into 4 implies 8 16 32. Either if R is equal to 2, if R is equal to 1 upon 2, if R is equal to 1 upon 2, if R is equal to 1 upon 2, putting here to A 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 56. A 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 56 or A is equal to 56 into 4 upon 7 7 8 implies 32. So numbers AR square यानी 32 into 1 upon 2 और 32 into 1 upon 4. 8 जा 2 16 जा यानी 32, 16 and 8. तो either numbers are 8, 16 and 32 or numbers are 32, 16 and 8. Now let us take question number 11. A GP consists of an even number of terms if the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of the terms occupying odd places. Find the common ratio. GP consists of even number of terms. So let number of terms is 2n. Even number of terms है, even number of terms को हमने लिए 2n है. अगर 2n है तो n प्लेस होंगे हमारे पास even और n प्लेस होंगे हमारे पास odd. Question number 11. Let GP consist of 2n terms and GP is AR square up to AR to the power 2n minus 1, because last term will be AR to the power 2n minus 1. Now given sum of all the terms, so sum of all terms is equal to 5 times the sum of terms occupying odd places. Odd places implies AR square, AR to the power 4 and so on. Sum of all terms is what? 1 minus r to the power total terms. Total terms कितनी है हमारे पास? 2n. तो 1 minus r to the power 2n upon 1 minus r is equal to 5. Here a 1 minus r. R is replaced by r square. Here common ratio is what? AR square upon a. Yani r square and term will be n, because we have total 2n terms. In 2n terms, n place will be odd places and n place will be even places. So these are the places, odd places. The term is n and common ratio is r square or upon 1 minus r square. So is equal to a 1 minus r to the power 2n upon 1 minus r is equal to 5a. Power to the power implies 1 minus r to the power 2n. Here factorize 1 minus r and 1 plus r. 1 minus r to the power n से 1 minus r to the power n cancel. 1 minus r से 1 minus r cancel. A से a cancel. So 1 is equal to 5 upon 1 plus r. 1 plus r is equal to 5 or r is equal to 4. So common ratio is 4. So common ratio is 4. Now let us take question number 13. Question number 13. If a plus bx upon a minus bx is equal to b plus cx upon b minus cx, or is equal to c plus dx upon c minus dx, then show that a, b, c are in GP. Question number 13. Given a plus bx upon a minus bx is equal to b plus cx upon b minus cx, or is equal to c plus dx or upon c minus dx. We have to prove that ABC are in GP. If ABC are in GP, then b square is equal to AC. Then ABCD, all four are in GP. So let us take these two, cross multiplying, yani a plus bx into b minus cx is equal to a minus bx or into b plus cx. Open. So ab minus acx plus b square x minus bcx square is equal to ab plus acx minus b square x or minus the bcx square. Cancel bcx square, but ab is also cancelled. तो बी स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए सी एक्स और प्लस ए सी एक्स। एक्स कॉमन, तो बी स्क्वायर टू बी स्क्वायर, एक्स कॉमन, ए सी टू ए सी, एक्स से एक्स कैंसिल, टू से टू, बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी implies b upon a is equal to c upon b. So a b c are in gp. So a b c are in gp. Now let us take these two similarly. If we solve these two, we will get if b plus cx upon b minus cx is equal to c plus dx upon c minus dx. What we get? C square is equal to bd. C square is equal to bd. C square bd implies c upon b or is equal to d upon c. But c upon b upon a equal है, तो b upon a is equal to c upon b or is equal to d upon c. So a b c d are in gp. Okay. Now let us take question number 14. Let S be the sum, P be the product, and R be the sum of the reciprocals of n terms of a GP. Prove that P square R to the power n is equal to S to the power n. So let given GP is AR square, S is given sum, this is question number 14. Let GP is equal to AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. S is sum. So sum is equal to what? A plus AR up to AR to the power n minus 1. Using the formula of sum, so S is equal to A 1 minus R to the power n or upon 1 minus R. This is equation number first. P is the product. So P is equal to A into AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. A n times implies A to the power n. And R here power 1, 2, 3 or up to n minus 1. So A to the power n, this is a AP, 1 to n minus 1. And number of terms is n minus 1. What is sum? N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 or into d. D implies 1. So is equal to a to the power n, r to the power n minus 1 upon 2 plus n minus 2 cancel. यानी a to the power n or r to the power n minus 1 upon 2. This is equation number second, value of P. Now, what is R? R is the sum of the reciprocals. So what is R? R is equal to 1 upon A plus 1 upon AR plus 1 upon AR square as so on 1 upon AR to the power n minus 1. This is also a GP, which first term is 1 upon A and common ratio is 1 upon R. So we will use the formula of sum of n terms. R is equal to first term is A. Now common ratio is 1 upon R because R is less than 1. So 1 upon R is greater than 1. So 1 upon R to the power n minus 1 upon 1 upon R minus 1 implies 1 upon A 1 upon R to the power n minus 1 upon 1 minus R upon R. So 1 upon A LCM 1 minus R to the power n upon R to the power n or into R upon 1 minus R. This is what? This is R. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove P square R to the power n. So we have taken left hand side. We have taken left hand side. Left hand side is what? P square R to the power n. P implies A to the power n or R to the power n minus 1 upon 2 का स्क्वायर, और r implies r1 minus r to the power n अपॉन a r to the power n। अच्छा, यहाँ r to the power n minus 1, ये r से यहाँ r की पावर n minus 1, r कैंसिल, इस r से ये r की पावर n minus 1, तो r की पावर a r to the power n minus 1 और 1 minus r और to the power n। ओपन, 2 पावर यहाँ मिली, तो इज इक्वल टू what we get a to the power 2n, फिर यहाँ मिली 2 से 2 कैंसिल, तो r to the power n n minus 1, यहाँ n पावर एक्सपेंड हुई, तो इंटू 1 minus r to the power n अपॉन a to the power n r to the power n n minus 1 और 1 minus r to the power n। what is cancelled? r to the power n n minus 1 cancelled, a to the power 2n upon a to the power n, what we get? a to the power n 1 minus r to the power n upon n or 1 minus r to the power n, or a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r to the whole power n। यहाँ भी n, यहाँ भी n और यहाँ भी n, लेकिन ये a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r is what? s, तो is equal to s to the power n or is equal to right hand side. So we will prove in this way. Now let us take question number 15. If pth, qth and r term of an AP are ABC respectively, then show that q minus ra plus r minus pb plus p minus qc or is equal to 0. Question number 15, it is given pth term is A, यानी AP और is equal to A, और AP implies A plus P minus 1 into D. We have taken let first term is equal to capital A and common difference is equal to capital D. Also, qth term is equal to B. तो ए क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी और इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस क्यू माइनस 1 इंटू डी, एंड आर्थ टर्म इज इक्वल टू सी, तो ए प्लस आर माइनस 1 इंटू डी। बाय द फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट क्यू माइनस आर ए प्लस आर माइनस पी बी और प्लस P minus QC or is equal to 0. We have taken left hand side. Left hand side Q minus R into A. A implies A plus P minus 1 into D plus R minus P. B implies A plus Q minus 1 into D or plus P minus Q, and C implies A plus R minus 1 into D. Now solution A common, what we get? Q minus R plus R minus P और plus P minus Q, प्लस यहाँ से D कॉमन, अगर D कॉमन लिया तो इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई, यानी Q माइनस R की मल्टीप्लाई P माइनस 1 में प्लस R माइनस P की मल्टीप्लाई Q माइनस 1 में और प्लस P माइनस Q की मल्टीप्लाई R माइनस 1 में। नाउ R से R कैंसिल, P से P और Q से Q, 0 और प्लस D ना मल्टीप्लाई, तो QP और माइनस Q और माइनस RP और प्लस R और प्लस अगेन RQ और माइनस R और माइनस PQ प्लस P और प्लस PR माइनस P और माइनस QR और प्लस Q। कैंसिल, क्यू से क्यू कैंसिल, फिर पी क्यू से पी क्यू कैंसिल, आर पी से आर पी कैंसिल, आर क्यू से आर क्यू कैंसिल, पी से पी और आर से आर, यानी 0 और प्लस d into 0 implies 0. So hence proved.